What they put in their mouths saved their marriage. Hot-tempered spouses fought a dozen times a day. To try to save their marriage, they went to a shrink. He gave them some magic medicine. They had to take it right when a fight started.
Drink it slowly, in total silence, the whole cup.
The magic tea indeed stopped the fighting. But one day, they suddenly ran out.
It's your fault. Should have brewed it more sparingly.
They rushed to the dock, fearing they'd fight again.
You won't get that drug ever again. But you can save your marriage yourselves now.
It was a regular tea, no magic potion. But while the spouses drank it, they cooled off and tamed their temper instead of hurling insults. Words can hurt. Hold your tongue when you're mad.